Alright, thank you guys for watching 12 Auto Programming's channel. And today we're working on a 2008 Mini Cooper. And the codes in the system are for the CAS output terminal 50. So when you get in your vehicle, it will not start. You put your key in. It'll show the key. It'll come up everything normal. And when you press the button, you'll hear the click. But the car won't start. I want to show you where the terminal 50 is. So your battery is located here in the front. And terminal 50 comes here to this connector, which is the white wire, the main power feed to the ignition so the starter can crank up. It comes here, and it comes out of the firewall down to your starter.